In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear chat history on Claude AI on PC and laptop. We'll do this right in your web browser, and the process is quick once you know where everything lives. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Claude account. If you see a sign-in page at any point, just log in and then continue from where you left off. Also keep in mind that websites update from time to time, so your screen might look slightly different, but the options should be in similar places. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Claude AI and press Enter. This is just an easy way to get to the official site without memorizing the URL. If you prefer, you can also go directly by typing Claude AI into the address bar. Either route is fine. In the results, click the official Claude AI website to open it. Once you're on Claude, navigate to your chats. You'll find this under the Chats area, which may appear in the sidebar or under Settings depending on your layout. The goal is to land on the page that lists your recent conversations. If you see a Recents view, that's exactly where you want to be. Now look for the Select option at the top of your chat list and click it. This switches the page into selection mode, revealing checkboxes and a toolbar so you can manage multiple conversations at once. If you only want to remove a few threads, you can check them individually. But if you're clearing everything, there's a faster way. Choose Select All to highlight every chat in your history. This saves you from clicking each conversation one by one. Take a second to scan the list and confirm that you're selecting only what you intend to delete, especially if there are any chats you still need. Next, click the trash icon. Think of this as preparing the deletion. You'll typically see a confirmation prompt so you don't remove anything by accident. This is your last chance to back out if you changed your mind. When you're ready, click Delete to confirm. Deletion is permanent, so once you confirm, those chats are gone and can't be recovered. If there's anything you may want later, consider copying important content before you remove it. That's it. Your Claude chat history is now cleared. You can keep things tidy by repeating this process periodically, or use Select Mode anytime to delete just a few conversations instead of everything. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly clean up your Claude AI chats on your PC or laptop.